Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Paybis wallet app. So if you also want to log in Paybis wallet app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paybis wallet application. This application is available both in Play Store and App Store. Wait for it to load. Once Paybis wallet application is opened, you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. Choose the account type that you want to log in. You can see two options over here, personal and corporate. Choose the account type according to your choice. If you do not have an account, you can also tap on the register option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to create an account for yourself. If you want to log into existing account, what you have to do is enter your email. Simply tap on the email box and enter your email. After you enter the email, all you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Paybis has sent me a verification code. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to Paybis application. Now enter the code over here. After you enter the verification code, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Paybis wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.